Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I have been so into all of the fall vampy grungy looks going on right now, and I wanted to create something that was office appropriate and like work friendly for Halloween makeup that's not too over the top but still a little up there. This is what I came up with. It is a lime green and black smoky eye with giant lashes, a black lip with a little bit of black and green glitter pressed into the lip just to give it a little bit of extra shine. It's super wearable, it's super easy, and it'll take you like 10 minutes maybe. So if you're in a rush and you're getting ready in the morning, this might be your costume alternative. You could also use this entire look if you wanted to do something a little bit witchy, and it would totally work with your giant conical hat and your beautiful wig. Anyway, if this is something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload twice a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So starting off with this look, I do have my base done: bronzer, blush, highlighter, foundation. There's a touch of highlighter on the inner corner, and the reason I did that is I'm going to be layering some other shades over that, so I don't want to really go too far in. So that's like my map as to where I want to take my shadow. So I will be using, for the start of this, my Sephora Pro editorial palette. And I'm going to be starting with the shade Jeffrey, which is the lime green right here. And I need brushes. And I'm going to start by dusting that into basically the entire crease. And I am actually going to take that shade and build it up like 2 to 3 times because I really want that pigmentation to be fairly vibrant. Then on a flat brush, I'm going to take that exact same shade and I'm just going to take it deeper into the socket of the eye. And by using this, it's going to pack a little bit more pigmentation on, and it's going to make the color look a little bit more intense. And while we're here, I'm actually going to take the same shade and run it in the entire lower lash line. And again, during this entire process, we do want to be mindful of that inner corner highlight and never take anything too close to it. Then dipping back into that second brush, we're just going to buff a little bit more into the socket of the eye. Then on a little brush, I'm going to dip into the black shade in this palette. It is called Ilde, I-L-D-E. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to very gently add just a tiny bit to the outer V of the eye and into the crease. And with that second brush again, we're just going to blend that in small circular motions. And then with this brush, I'm going to take that black again, and we're going to start to bring it towards the center of the lid. Now that we have that down, I'm going to go back into that first brush and pick up a nice amount of that green again. And we're going to just diffuse the edges because we do want that lime green to show through quite a bit. Then I'm just going to throw a black liner in the waterline. Then back into that pencil brush, we're going to blend out the black with a little bit more of the green. For the lid, I'm going to dip into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this beautiful, it's like a yellowy green, and I'm going to press that into the lid, but again, we are going to avoid near the inner corner. Then dipping back into that black, we are just going to soften the edges. So now I'm just going to throw on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. And now that the lash is on, I know this looks a little dramatic, but it's only going to get more so. Next, I'm going to go in with a black liquid lipstick, and I'm actually going to apply it off camera because with black, I have to get like this close to my mirror, but I'm going to throw this on and I will be right back. And while that's still a little wet, I'm going to dip into a green glitter. I'll link down below which one this one is because I don't know which one it is, but I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that and I'm actually going to use my finger and just press that into the bottom lip. And that's going to be pretty subtle. but it is gonna catch the light really beautifully. And in person, people will see it a little bit more. The studio lights kind of drown out glitter a little bit, so you're not gonna see it too intently from here. Lastly, I'm gonna dip into a Studio Fix powder, and I'm just going to clean up the under eye. When you go in with green, it will tint the under eye, so rather than trying to sweep it off, I just kind of press over it. And that's the finished look. This is my very wearable, office-friendly Halloween makeup. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what you will be using when you recreate something similar. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.